This ultrasonic cleaner works so well for these retainers. Ultrasonic waves allow the tiny bubbles to hit the surface of the object, and the impact causes any dirt to separate from the object and fall into the water. The package arrived quickly with everything I needed. With a control panel on the front, you can adjust it. It's plastic all throughout, and it's measuring approximately 9 inches by 4 inches by approximately 3 inches in height, so it fits well on the counter. This can measure 3, 5, or 10 minutes in time, and inside you have the electric outlet converter, a brush to get in the nooks and crannies that the device doesn't get, large-scale tweezers for removing things from the interior, a cleaner, and an instruction page. Operation is super simple. You need to plug in the device with the provided cord and the insert on the left side of the device. This will allow it to power on. It will default to a 3-minute timing, but you can also adjust it to 5 or 10 minutes in length. Next, fill the stainless steel basin with water. You do not want to overfill it, but you do want to make sure that it does cover the full scope of the object you're placing inside. Here I have some clear retainers, like the Invisalign style. I'm going to place both of these inside the device. And in general use, you would place the gray top on top. For display purposes, I'm allowing you to see the beginning of the water movement. As the ultrasonic waves begin to pick up, you'll see more and more movement, the tiny bubbles beginning to do their action. This will continue the same for approximately 3 minutes for this example. And when time is up, simply remove the lid, use the included tweezers to remove the product. At first glance here, they're nice and clean, no real issues or debris left that I can notice. And to finish, remove all items from the water compartment. You'll want them to dry completely on their own. Then unplug the device and remove all water from the water reservoir. I'm just pouring it back into the same measuring cup that I measured from. 10-second dry of the stainless steel reservoir, and it's ready for the next use. And should you notice the machine did not remove all debris from the object, there is an included brush where you can go back in and do any additional detail work. Overall, quite impressed with this machine. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. Pleased to have a high-tech tool designed for helping keep these retainers clean.